In basic, you will get, now here you are getting only a place where you can put the application. You are getting a site where you can put the application. Here you are getting a machine in which you can put the application. And here you are getting the different higher standard of machines on which you can put the application. And in the premium edition, again, so you can see premium, basic, standard. There are three types of services available on which you can put your web-based application. This is what nothing but application services are, where you can put the application. Infrastructure, you don't have to think. You just have to select one of these infrastructure and that's all. One core, 1.75 GB, 10 GB storage. This is the machine will be available to you. It is also called as a web role, worker role, as you may be aware of. So whenever you are trying to put a services on a Microsoft Azure, you have to. So this is basically view where you have a web-based application and you are trying to put this web-based application on free services that is given by Microsoft free. So 10 application you can put in shared environment without any sites and nothing will be there. But bandwidth will be, whatever data will be read from your customers, that will be chargeable. So that will be monthly charges. This not monthly, it is consumption wise. You can say for GB or 1 GB, for 7 GB it is minimum 14 rupees. So per GB, as much as people will access your site, you will be charged actually for that. So you will be charged. Here site will be there and your bandwidth is given again same, but here you can have a site so you can manage somehow your this. Here you can fully manage. Here you can have a server, so on this you can put dedicated one. This is a dedicated machine given to you on which you can install the application. Here only a site is given. Here the machine is given, but this low color. Here high-end machine is given, and here highest high-end machine is given on which you can install the application. And these are the charges. If you are taking this machine, okay, if you purchase this machine, what will be the charges? Hourly charges is there. So for example, one virtual machine you have purchased, 4,000, this is monthly charge and this is hourly charges. 6 rupees into, so if 24 into 6 is, so this is your monthly charges are there. So you will find here three type of machines are there on which you can put up your application. You have application, put into either this, put into either this, or put it into either this, or put here in shared one, or put here in free one. Anywhere you can put the application. This is what application services are, right? Here you will be getting a virtual machine as a IaaS services. That was a full application services where just you have to select and you cannot do much in that. Here you can particularly buy machines on which you can install the applications. At various type of machines are available. One core, this much memory, and by default these are having all 120 GB hard disk, right? Best of this, you will find a 120 GB hard disk is added in all these machines. This comes as an OS operating system. You cannot store anything on that. In this also, you will find 50 GB SSD is here. This is a RAM and this is a core. Again, you have to purchase separately your storage for all these things. This doesn't come with the storage. See? And these are the servers which is available to you directly. In this machine, virtual machine you are purchasing, there are various type of machines are there, virtual machines. This is one virtual machine, A series, D series, G series. The highest speed is G and H. G series is the highest. The Linux virtual machines you can find. What do you mean by Linux virtual machine? With the Linux operating system. SQL machine means SQL server is already loaded. OS and all of machines, all these things. So it is basically you will find with the operating system installed SQL server machine, ready machine is available to you. It is not that you are just purchasing a virtual machine, then you have to install the operating system on that, then on that you have to install server. No, already installed, this thing will be there. You just have to configure it. So this is your SQL server. This is a BizTalk server. You know about this BizTalk server? Across application, Linux, Unix, and any other. So all this can communicate to each other. So this BizTalk server is loaded. This is allowing you to connect cross-platform application together. Oracle software, Oracle OS will be, Oracle application will be there, right? You can just start developing the application on this. Oracle software means Oracle application. All front-end developer tools and back-end and all those things are there. So this is Oracle software. Straight away you are purchasing square machines. So this is second thing which Microsoft is selling, virtual machine, application services. What is application? A web-based application, you can install it directly onto these machines. In this you are installing virtual machine. In this virtual machine you are selling as a services. Microsoft is selling virtual machine as a services. You can purchase and you can put in the direct machine you can purchase in this. You don't need to purchase a license for operating system or application or anything. This comes along with all those things, and without installation, just have to select and add it in your machine. Network in Azure cloud, that is available ready to you. Mobile services. This mobile services is actually meant for, this is coming with a developer tools. Mobile services is what? Mobile services is basically again a platform on which you can develop the mobile application. Now this is also coming in a three-way, similar like your app services: free, basic and standard. Free, without any website, you will be getting only a database, right? Again, as you consume the database, per GB it is costing 600 rupees. This is the costing is there straight away. Bandwidth, how much it is assuming, and this.